Hey there YouTube, and today we are putting in the Victory 4x4 Molle panels. I'm just going to show you how to do the one side because the opposite side is the same, so it's mirrored. But you're going to take your spacers and you're going to put them behind with your screw. You run it through like that. Find a good spot to put it. I'm going to come as far over as I can, about say right there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive the screw in, just kind of screw it in there, right through the plastic. Like so. Just like that. And do it 3 more times. Spacer, screw. We got longer spacers, which would go back on this side, towards the back, because you got a little bit of space taken up here by your handle. So feed your spacer in there. Throw it in with a little pressure. Just like so. Just like that. Then do your bottom ones. You want to use the short spacers in the bottom. Get that one going. Like such. And then your final one. Down here. Just like that. They don't need to be super tight because it is plastic and you will blow the plastic out. But just tight enough where it ain't gonna go nowhere. That's how you install your Victory 4x4 Molle panel.